Hello everyone, my name is Gamit Pratik and I am one of the students of ILT B.Ed College, Rajkot. So today we shall learn about school corresponds, General Register, in short GR. What is General Register? It is a number registered in the school, college or any academic year. It is mostly found GR number on the iCard, and it is also known as admission register. The register GR is a record of all children who are admitted and left the school. Means GR number is a record of the children who are taking admissions and who students left the school at the end of year. The school must have registered details of each pupil studying or studied in the school, which is maintained in GR. Means the school must have the registers of all the pupils' details as well as given the each register number, and which is also maintained in GR. All the people must be registered from the beginning of the year. Means all people have registered when they come at the standard first, so they have to register it. All pupils enrolled for the first year must have completed 5 years on or before 13th May of academic year. All people must have a 5 years age, and their age should be before the 13th May of the year. GR. The information to be entered for each new pupil is as follows: admission number, second, name of pupil, third, name of father, name of mother, name of guardian, address, caste and subcaste, date of admission and standard of admission. Means when the pupils comes for admission, that should be mentioned, and if the children is studying in the rural area and he leave the schools and got admission in another place of school, so they must also register that date of admissions and in which standard he or she has got admission. Ninth, date of leaving schools, also very important. When they leave schools after the completing school, reason of leaving the school, means what is the reason for leaving the schools, that's also mentioned. For example, when we complete our PG or any 12th standard, so we should go to further study, post graduation or graduating. So this is the reasons to leave the schools. And if you have another problems such as moving one place to another, so you can add remark if any. So that's the things also good. GR. All the information must be entered with the help of parents and from birth certificate if enrolled for standard 1, or with the help of previous living certificate if admitted in higher standards. Means all the information should be filled with the help of our parents, means mom and dad, and it is from our birth certificate and it's apply for the standard 1 when we get admissions. And if we have the previous year of living certificates, that will helpful us to take admission in higher standards. Such for example, when we leave the standard 12 and we got admission in graduations, so it's helpful for the admissions. Living certificate is given as per the record of GR, means General Register, and the changes in general register is not possible without permission of appropriate authority. Means living certificate is the record of general register in general register, and that in register we should not change all the things at any times. If we need to change any things, so we need appropriate kinds of permissions and authority of, and we also need to fill form for the changes, and we have to attach appropriate documents such as Aadhaar card, ration cards, etc. But these certificates, bona fide certificate, is given to people as per the entire of GR, means general register. Certificate is a common things which we know. Bona fide certificate is the how the behavior of the students, whether it is very good or some bad behavior, that is recognized through the entire year, and based on that year we as teachers give us bona fide certificate is known as behavior of the certificate. Living certificate, in short, LC. Living certificate is certificate of leaving the school. Means when we time is come to leave the school, this certificate is given by the school. LC can be given only if the parents of the student has applied for it is written. Means when we need an LC, so it should be applied by our parents, and it is in the written form to get an LC. In case a student is absent for a long time without any prior permission, principal has authority to give him his leaving certificate. Means in the case of the students did not inform to school or teachers, so principal has a right to give him or her the leaving certificate due to not coming in the schools for a long time. It is as for 2 months or 1 month, it's depend on the living long times of living. Details in the LC must be exactly as mentioned in GR, in general register number. Details must be as same as mentioned in general register number. That should be must exactly in the LC also. LC must be hand written. Means LC should not be typing and printed LC, but it is the hand written on the piece of paper. Our writing or erasing is not allowed in LC. Means our writing in there is one word and we should not write second word on the same word. Or erasing also not allowed. Means we should not erase by the help of whitener in the LC. If there is any error in the LC, principal should correct it with red pen with his short signature above it. Means if there is error in the LC or mistakes, so principal can correct it by the help of red pen, and he should sign above the correct word. There should be a round seal of the school at top left corner and principal seals and signature at bottom right corner in the LC. There is the round seal of the schools, which is the top side of the left corner, and the principal's signatures and stamps is almost at the bottom of the LC, and that should be on the right side. School registration number and school index number must be correctly mentioned in the LC. Means the school registration number means as a GR number also mentioned in the LC, as well as the school index number, and that is must clearly see. Attendance register. Main function of attendance register is to show the presence and absence of every student enrolled in the class. Means the main function of the taking attendance is to show the who attend the class and who did not attend the class. Attendance register is a register showing the names of all pupils on the roll of the class or section during a month. Means attendance is a register which shows the name of the students, and it is also in the roll number wise, and who attend the class during whole month and who did not attend class, that also counted. The attendance is marked in the beginning of the school hour. Entry should be made with link. Attendance is taken at the beginning of the school hours as the school start and prayer is being done in the assembly. After that, the first lecture, teacher is going to take an attendance who has attended the lecture and who did not attend the lecture. In AR, blanks should not be left. Means in the attendance register there should not be any kind of blanks is being left. Holidays are marked with the red ink. Means if there is any holidays, so teacher must mark with the red pens. Such as holidays are Natal, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Holi, etc. Attendance register is to be kept in the fixed place provided for in the office after the use. Attendance is the register that should be kept on the one place, and that is the fix. It is used, register and keep at the same place after use. Any absence of a student beyond 10 days has to brought to the notice to the principal. Means if any student is beyond, means after the 10 years he or she is not coming to schools, that should be informed to the principal. The presence of a student is marked with P, absent with the A, and leave with the L. Means the presence of the student is marked with P means present, A means absent, and L for the leaving. Means he or she has taken a leave for today or half day. Total presence, absence are calculated monthly and checked and signed by the principal. Total absence and presence also calculated each month, and that and the end of month principal is being signed in the attendance register. At the end of the year, principal sign all the class attendance register. Means the end of the whole year, principal is also signed in each registers of the class. Leave note. Leave is a permission granted by the competent authority at its discretion to the government employee to remain absent from duty. Leave is a kind of permissions. On the duty, teachers or principals should get the permissions of leaving the schools for 1 or 2 days or more, and leave shall not be claimed as a matter of right by employee. Means leave should not be given in any matter of the employees. Leave of any kind may be refused or revoked by the competent authority when the exigency of public service is required. Means the leaving of any kind is refused by the competent authority, means they should not give the leaving permissions. If there is the emergency need of the public service is required, authority cannot utter the kind of leave applied for except the written request of the government employee. Means authority is not just telling that I am going to this or that place, so I need a leave, but it should be accept only when there is a written request to the government.
Kinds of leave. Earned leave rule 46. The earned leave which we get leave from the government is I think so 2 days in a month. Half paid leave rule 27. Half paid leave means you have attended school from morning to afternoon, and afternoon to evening you have taken a leave. That's called half paid leave. Commuted leave rule 15(8). In commuted leave, I think so it is shifting one place to another at the time, or it is traveling leave. Leave not due to rule 59. It is not leave as per rule 59. Extraordinary leave rule 60. Means as ordinarily we take a leave, that one. Maternal leave and paternal leave rule 70 means it is the matrutva and pitrutva of leave. Hospitals leave rule as 69. Hospital leaves if we have any accidents or we need hospitals or treatments, so at that time we can take a leave. As TB, cancer, leprosy leave rule 17(6). These are the leaves as per the rules we can get it. That is to register. This register gives information of all the movable property of this world. This is the desktop register. In this register, all the things are being written or keep as written, and that are movable properties such as computer, laptop, projector, benches, etc. When any equipment or furniture is purchased, it must be duly entered in this register. A number should be written on it if the item is long lasting. These things should be given to students only after it is registered in desktop register. When anything we need in the school, so we buy furniture or equipment, that must be entered. Means we should keep things noted in the register, and that should be marked with a numerical number. And if that things are long lasting, means for a long time we can use it. And these things we can, that principals can give to the staff members and students when things are being registered in the register. The principal of the school should check this register physically at once in a year. Means principal has to check this let's take register which things has been brought during whole year. That register should be checked by principal once in a year. Verification report should be recorded in the stock register. Means whatever things we buy, that should be verified by the receipt or bill, and that should be recorded in the stock register. Item should be registered in that stock register, such as textbooks, examples, mathematics, English, environment, social science, etc. Consumable stock, exercise book, pens, pencils, paper, chalks, etc. Furnitures, desks, chairs, etc. Office equipment such as chalks, stapler, and etc. Sport equipment such as volleyball, football, bat, full racket, etc. Tools, gardening, craft, etc. Pipe, eggs, etc. Parts of that register, things that last longer, example chair, table, board, computer, etc. Things that are used regularly, example sport equipment, stationery item, etc. In stationery, books, pen, pencil, etc. things comes under it. Things that are to be distributed, example textbook, uniform, etc. Thank you.